What's going on, guys? This is Tahir Aziz from Sky Business Solutions again. I'm back with another new video. So today I'm going to tell you about best email marketing services for small business. So today I'm going to give you 11 of the best email marketing services for starting your small business. So we got 263 people right on the board. So let's get started. We all know and love emails. On a global scale, over 290 billion emails are sent and received each day. What can we say? Consumer love getting newsletters. Everybody wants to hear from their favorite brands instantly. It's simple. People love email. I don't know about you guys that this topic is actually every day I'm getting a lot of emails, and they have asked me on my Instagram as well that to please make a video on email marketing. Okay, so why is email marketing so important? It's a question mark. So it is a simple, direct and effective way of connecting with your leads, and is very cost effective. In fact, marketers claims that email marketing can give them an ROI as high as 44x. So you can get creative with catchy email subjects lines. So experiment with eye-catching emails templates and sell additional products and services. Actually, that is the definition. So guys, one of the reason why email marketing is one of the most popular and effective advertised methods is that you can target your existing and future customers in a simple way and without spending hundred, even thousand of dollars. So there are many email marketing software options out there, most providing scalable email marketing tools to suit almost any market. So what makes an email marketing service great? One, the best characteristics to look out for when choosing one then in efficient and budget friendly include. So guys, I'm going to tell you about 5 points. Our first is budget, then cost, then size of the database, then level of automation, and then special additions such as analytics. So this is all good to know. Why? But how do you know which email marketing platform is the best for your business needs? Well, we can help you out with a handful of nifty suggestions. Here are the other 11 leading email marketing platforms which I'm going to tell you for startup and small businesses, and it would really work for you. So guys, 11 of the best email marketing services for small business. I'm going to give you a summary first, and the tools you guys have to use is and you can find it and you can purchase it, and it actually listed in a marketplace as well. You can use my coupon code and you will get 25% discount as well. And my coupon code, I'll give it the link in the description and name as well, is Sky Business Solution Help. So this is my coupon code, and you can use my name as well, Tahir Aziz ETS. Okay, so my first tool is ConvertKit, then my second tool is GetResponse, third one is ActiveCampaign, fourth one is Sendinblue, fourth one is Aweber, so sixth one is Trip, seventh one is Optin Monster, eighth one is Intercom, 9 one is Smash Balloon, 10 one is Raffle Press, and 11 one is MailChimp. These 11 tools you guys can use, and I'm gonna just brief it more, and will explain you and give you a little bit an idea that how you can use these tools and how you can actually expand your business. So guys, free plans. What is ConvertKit? The first tool was ConvertKit. So what is ConvertKit? I'll tell you the free plan first. So allow you to start building your audience with useful features like unlimited landing page templates and forms to choose from, and managing up to 1000 subscribers. Paid plans, actually nobody wants to buy a paid plans, but still I'll tell you, a lot of you guys wants to buy a paid plans because they don't want to just get on a free plan. So if you are switching on a paid plan, then paid plans range from $29 to upwards of $4000 depending on how many subscribers you have. So ConvertKit gives you the fluidity and flexibility desired in email campaign creation and execution. You get great performance and increased productivity. You can use its automation to save time in addition to creating a customer funnel. It is easy to use, powerful, and functional. The cost is more affordable compared to other softwares. Instead of traditional email marketing platforms where you have to know coding and HTML, and believe me, I hate coding. ConvertKit provides a seamless drag and drop capable experience to create professional emails that convert. These also an automation features to view the whole layout of your funnel. So guys, my second tool is Get Response. So what's actually Get Response? I'm going to mention all the links below in my description. You guys can get the codes over there. So Get Response is an email marketing platform that can be used by small and medium sized business, and more generally by those who have just started a new business. But ever big corporations including IKEA and UNICEF use GetResponse to create powerful and simplified emails in one easy to use tool. So it is a particularly commercial and easy to use service. The service offers various functions and integration as well as detailed statistics. So your stats will be crystal clear. The weak point is linked to an automation process not mainly developed. So guys, what makes GetResponse a fantastic email marketing service is for you to invest in the additional option to use the service for other marketing needs you may want to fulfill. So I think this includes, but it's not limited to, so landing page creation and optimization, conversation, funnel and marketing automation. So still not convinced? If you guys are not convinced, explore more of the amazing features GetResponse offers to business and brands of all over your size, and all of our sizes you can get on the website as well. So my third tool is Active Campaign. So guys, small business or startups can actually operate for Active Campaigns, and inexpensive email marketing platform that is easy to use and has several specific functions for SMEs. So this platform has its CRM system to manage leads and therefore automatically organize sales and marketing. Process automation is a point of favor of Active Campaign, which presents groundbreaking information reports that tell user that is working in their email marketing efforts and what isn't. So what makes Active Campaign a great email marketing service? To look into it, how it filters the customer's experience acquisition process. So the platform official website filters potential users by industry, product and role. This allows the platform to completely customize your email marketing services needs depending on who actually you are and what you are looking for. So jumping on fourth tool is Sendinblue. So this fourth tool is actually my favorite tool, one of my favorites tool. So Sendinblue offers a good compromise between the expense and it requires and the service. That's actually what website says. That is simpler to use and complete in the function. So it offers like the more famous Active Campaigns bracket close. Actually guys, I'm not going to tell you that why like the more famous Active Campaigns, because I've never seen the Active campaigns are running out there. But Sendinblue also have a well-developed CRM section and offers excellent possibilities for automation, integration, and segmentation. So, guys, representing the real competitive advantage over other platforms. The interface, however, can be more complicated than other services. Like I think that service is Mailchimp. It is also an excellent tool for SMS marketing. There is a range of templates for creating of your emails. Guys, when I have first time I have bought this actual Sendinblue package, I got a 30 days trial package, and I got 30 templates by that time. I don't know how many templates are out there, but I think it's more than 1000 templates you guys can get in free. So Sendinblue allows you to create custom workflows that send emails automatically. You can even use your context behavior on your website to trigger emails. For example, guys, you could send in automated emails if a customer adds an item to their cart but fails to check it. Sendinblue offers an entirely free account for up to 300 emails per day and receive ultimate contacts, and it's really unlimited. If you do want to send more email, then that plan starts at I think $25 a month. So it's not that much expensive. What do you say? So guys, jumping on to fifth that's my fifth tool, Aweber. So a Weber is suitable for those who base their business in the web marketing industry and are looking for a reliable tool while having a limited budget. So I know a lot of you guys are out there having a limited budget, and my heart goes to you guys. In fact, according to their official website, Weber's mission statement is to deliver powerfully simple email marketing for small business that does 90% of the work for you. So we leave just 10% of you to have fun, and who doesn't want to have fun? Really, everybody want to have fun. So guys, beginners can benefit from a Weber details and intuitive reports. The more experienced power users can take advantage of split tests. So what to grow your email list? I'll give you 10 different ways to do it. So check the link in the description. Features of Weber includes, guys, unique features like pre-built template library and AI-powered design assistants, a drag and drop email and landing page designers, campaigns, marketplace, and automated campaign features. So, guys, jumping on to the sixth tool is Drip, Drip, Drip. It's not a dig, it's Drip. Yeah, Nelson, it's not a dig, it's Drip. Come on. So Drip is a powerful email marketing platform which high WooCommerce integration. It's a particularly good option if you run an e-commerce website. It has smart marketing automation tools and intelligent email segmentation. So Drip also provide a ton of support through live chat as well as with webinars and complete online courses and excellent documentation. It may not be the cheapest option depending on what your email marketing outreach needs are, but it's worth the money to maximum. And guys, it will maximize your marketing efforts, believe me. Look at their pricing on their website, the link is in the description. So jumping on to the seven opt-in monster. The seventh tool is opt-in monster. It's not that monster in like in Venom movie or monsters in normally super fictional movies. It's an opt-in monster, a tool for email marketing. So Opt-in Monster is one of the best conversation optimization software platform on the market. So it allows you to convert website visitor into email subscribers and customer easily. It comes with easy to integrating lightbox pop-ups, slide-in modules, welcome mats, coupons, and reels, and more and more and more, a lot more. So guys, Opt-in Monster works with all popular email marketing services and quickly get more subscribers for your email list. Sometimes you can find templates that match your brand's voice or design aesthetics. Then it makes sense to craft your own email campaigns. What do you say? Uh, it is packed with many features, guys, like that help you automatically target users and show them personalized campaigns. For example, you can show target message for different pages on your site, and you can also show campaigns based on user activity and geographic locations. So moving on to a tool that is Intercom. Intercom is a live chat tool, guys, but it does so much more. It allows you to use chatbots and integrate your chats with other elements of your marketing workflow. So Intercom allows you to send automatic in-app messages that go far beyond just text. So you can use images, videos, emojis, and even apps to help you with your marketing. It's easy to choose from many different message styles without you need to involve a developer. So Intercom also have several options, add-ons available that includes products, tours, advanced lead generations, and sophisticated customer engagements. So guys, jumping on to my ninth tool, that is Smash Balloon. It's really fun playing actually. Smash Balloon. So guys, Smash Balance offers four different WordPress plugins that allows you to add social feeds to your website. This concern Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So these WordPress plugins are a great way to make the most of the time you spend on social media while conveniently monitoring your email marketing. You can automatically actually include posts from your account or even post with the specific hashtag where applicable. So guys, you can actually customize your social feeds in multiple ways. For example, like you can create a shoppable Instagram feed, so clickable Instagram photos of your products are automatically edited to your site. So guys, moving on to 10th tool which I'm going to tell you is Raffle Press. RAFFLAPRESS. Raffle Press. Monica, it's Raffle Press, not Plus. You have just written PLESS. It's Press. Raffle Press. Okay. So Raffle Press is the best WordPress contest and a free plugin that allows you to encourage users interaction. These could include visiting a page on your site, signing up for your email list, and participating in polls or surveys, watching videos, and more. You can even create your actions like asking readers to leave a comment. So, guys, finding new ideas for your email marketing campaigns is not easy. Believe me, even for seasoned marketers. And by creating competitions for your readers, you can dramatically increase how engaged they are with your content, and you can also set up actions that prompt readers to share your content on social media. You have to share a lot, guys. If you want really to work your email marketing should work, then you have to actually share and just believe in sharing. And sharing is caring, actually. So moving on to the 11th tool is MailChimp. It's like a chimpo. Not just chimpo, it's a funny word. Anyways, it's a MailChimp, the 11th tool, and the MailChimp is one of the most recognized and celebrated email marketing service platform. This top-rated email service is suitable for freelancers, those who manage small to medium businesses and brands, and budget-conscious startups as well, guys. So you guys, a lot of you guys don't have actually enough budget to actually do email marketing services as well, and yeah, the interface is straightforward. The service, at least in its basic version, if you are getting a basic version, guys, then it's free and offers a wide variety of integration with other platforms including Facebook and WordPress. So MailChimp it does require users to double confirm their registration on the website and via email. This can be annoying to many users, guys, but resulting in inevitably reducing email list, and this can turn down many potential subscribers, but it's dramatically lowers than percentage of rejected emails, and prevents email delivery servers from potentially being blacklisted. So guys, here was actually I've given you 11 MailChimp and the last one tool, and my final words are, guys, and more people are actually every day reading my content, actually my scripts and emails. That's one of the biggest reason why businesses needs to invest in email marketing and a reliable service that gets the job done. So guys, check the prices and features of email marketing services providers, which I have actually explained you deeply, and I've given you I think enough brief. So choose the most convenient without compromising reliability, security, and single use, regardless of whether your business needs are large or small and the industry. So don't forget to put these best email marketing practices into place once you pick an email services that works for you. Better yet, here are some actually free email marketing tools. I'm giving you the link in the description. You can try them as well to help you spread your business and brand message. So guys, happy emailing, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.